trying to play video games right here, and this is what I have to deal with every goddamn weekend. Seriously? I mean, come on. I'm trying to play video games here. Come on, Rob. Shut up.